take the front wheel off. I'm going to use a 19mm socket. And remove the wheel. I'm just going to spray a little rust penetrant on there, make it come apart a little bit easier. Now normally these links will have a place where you can put a hex bit in the stud. This one doesn't. This one's been replaced before. And then you can use a 15mm wrench to loosen up the nut. To give me some more room, I'll just disconnect this wheel speed sensor wire. Put that out of the way. Take locking pliers and lock this down, just like that. And take a 15mm socket. Take the nut off. Now I can slide the top part of the link out of the sway bar or stabilizer bar. And there's a wire that's attached right here. That's the ABS wire. Just slide that off. Now I'll put the same locking pliers in the bottom one. Spray a little rust penetrant. Take a 15mm socket and remove the nut. There we go. Slide the nut off. You can grab the link and just slide it out. Now I'm going to install the new links. Slide it through the same way it came off. Through the bottom and then through the bar itself. Get the nuts started. These new links have the stud that you can put a hex key. It's a 5mm hex key socket, and I'll use a 15mm ratchet wrench. Use the hex key to hold the stud from spinning, and I'll tighten these down. And that's tight. I'll do the same on the top one. All right, that one's tight. Now I'll use a torque wrench and a 15mm socket. Tighten these down to 37 foot-pounds. Now we'll reattach this wiring harness right there and plug it back in. Install the wheel and the lug nuts. Now I'm going to torque the wheel to 100 foot-pounds, tightening these lug nuts in a star pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And then I'll go around again just to double check.